Hi guys, hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a guest with me, the beautiful Flori Roberts. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super gorgeous look, so if you want to see, please keep watching. I'm going to be prepping her skin for the makeup application. Right now I'm toning her face, moisturizing and applying primer. I'm going to be listing all the products that I used in the description box below. Once I'm done with skin prep, I move on to foundation. I already used a flat foundation brush to apply the foundation before blending it out with a beauty blender. I'm applying concealer. I'm using her exact shade, and then I'll go over that with a lighter shade just to make it come out nicer. Please ignore the way my nails look. I just took off my black nail polish, hence the residue. Sorry guys. I'm just using my beauty blender to blend in the concealer. Right now I'm using setting powder to set the concealer. I'm just pressing it into the concealed areas. Next, I'm going to do her brows, and I'm not doing much to her brows. I'm just going to be filling in the brows lightly. So I'm using that lighter shade of concealer to carve out her brows, and that's just going to make it stand out a little bit more. So right now I'm prepping her eyelids for eyeshadow. I'm using concealer and setting powder to prime that lid. Then I use a more setting powder just in case of any fallouts from the eyeshadow that I'm going to be applying. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette and the color Sienna for the crease. I'm just going to use a fluffy brush to blend that into that crease. Next, I'm using this brown shade. It's called Cypress Umber, and I'm using that at the outer corner of her eyelid, and I'm just going to blend it in. So right now I'm applying some concealer just as a base for the shimmer shadows that I'm going to be applying next. So I'm going to be applying the sultry and bronze shimmer shadows. I'm super sorry about the focus and exposure right now. I didn't realize that that was happening. So I applied the sultry color in the middle of her lids and the bronze, which is more of a gold, in the inner corners. Then using the colors Tempera and Orange Soda, I just use that to highlight her brow bone. And I'm gonna contour using just powder, just because I want a soft look. So I'm just gonna put a little contour just around her face and so on. Then using the setting powder, I'm just gonna define her contour a little bit more and just blend everything in. I'm just using the So Pro setting spray on her face, and then using the Anastasia liquid glow highlighter in peach fuzz, just using my fingers to apply that on her cheekbones. And so I feel like using my fingers works better. I'm applying some lashes. These lashes are adorable. And then I'm using a black pencil liner just to draw a thin line just above the lashes. So next, I'm going to set her brows with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. This helps to hold the brows in place all day. I'm using the same colors that I used for her lid for her lower lash line, and I added black. I'm applying some orange blush on her cheeks. And then to set the whole look, I'm using the Zaron face powder palette. Then for glow, I'm going to be using the Anastasia loose highlighter. And to set the whole makeup, I'm using the e.l.f. setting spray. I'm just lining her lips with a brown lip liner, and I'm going to be using a mixture of concealer and a pinky nude just to create this really nice nude lip color. And to top that lip up, I'm going to be mixing clear gloss and glitter gloss, and I'm just applying that mixture. And this is the finished look. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, and also follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.